problems 1 through 3 on the story problem one, it says write your answer as an improper fraction. Okay, so to multiply the fraction isn't really the tricky part. I bet we can get that down just going over these few problems here. So let me erase real quick. Okay. Mr. Morse walks his dog 3/4 of a mile 5 days a week. What is the total number of miles Mr. Morse walks in 5 days? So this is, we're going to multiply 3/4 by 5 days. So all you have to do, what was it? Was it 3/5? 3/4 times 5, sorry. All you need to do is multiply the numerator times your whole number is your first step. So 3 times 5 is 15. And then you just bring your denominator over and it's the same, 15/4. When you guys type it on this level, you'll just type 15/4 for 15/4. Because remember, it's an improper fraction, so your numerator here is bigger than your denominator. Okay. Let's see. Okay, Miss Walton's cat Barbara sleeps 3/4 of the day, every day, each week. How long does Barbara sleep in 3 days? So this is saying we need to multiply 3/4 by 3. So same first step, multiply numerator and whole number. 3 times 3 is 9. Denominator stays the same at 4 9/4. So that's pretty easy as long as you remember how to get your denominator, right? Because you guys know how to multiply. Okay, let's see. Every day, Mikhail drinks 5/6 of the water in his water bottle. How much water does Mikhail drink in 2 days? So 5/6 times 2. Five times 2 is 10, and your denominator stays the same at 6. When you type 10/6. Okay, on the second 3 problems, it changes and it gets harder. So it says for problems 4 through 6, write your answer in as a mixed number. So the first step's the exact same, but then like you've learned on other levels and other units, you have to convert it from improper to mixed. So let me get it erased. And let's see. So it takes us half an hour every day for lunch. How much time do we spend on lunch in 3 days? So 1/2 times 3. So 1 times 3 equals 3. Bring your denominator over for 2. So you have 3 halves. But we're not done because we can't leave it as an improper fraction for this one. Now we have to convert 3 halves into a mixed number. So basically you have to divide 3 by 2. So 3 divided by 2. All right, so I would check if you're not sure with your multiplication and division, go see if you can multiply by 2 and get 3. And if not, what the biggest one you can multiply is and what that equals. So the biggest one you can multiply is 1. So that comes up here. And 1 times 2 is 2. Subtract 3 times, or 3 take away 2 is 1. So you're going to have 1 with the remainder of 1. And then all you got to do is turn this division problem back into a mixed number. So this is your whole number. This is your numerator. And this right here is your denominator. So it goes whole number, numerator, denominator. So the correct answer would be 1 and 1/2. Okay. Okay, Riley drinks 1/3 cup of milk for breakfast every day. how much milk does Riley drink in 12 days? So we have 1/3 times the 12. One times 12 is 12. And your denominator just stays the same. So I have 12/3. Okay, last step, just divide 12. Whoa, something crazy just happened. 12 divided by 3. So come over here in your multiplication chart and check, can you multiply by 3 and get 12? Actually, this one you can. So the answer would be 4. You're going to have just a whole number. Sometimes it'll come out even and you don't have to worry about your fraction. Okay. One more. I think I'm going to change this one to make it a little harder. This one says Perry eats 3/4 cup of cereal for breakfast each morning. How much cereal does Perry eat in 8 days? I'm going to change this to 9. So we're going to go 3/4 times 9. Okay, so first steps are easy. 3 times 9 is 27. Denominator comes over for 4. And then you just got to divide. You're going to need to divide 27 divided by 4. So I have my 27/4 here. Okay, 27 divided by 4. So check to see, can you multiply by 4 and get 27? No, but I can get close with 24 at 6. Right? So 6 up here. 6 times 4 is 24. Subtract. So you have a 6, remainder 3. So whole number, numerator, and denominator. 6 3/4.